Want to make it viral, don't ever think about keywords. Don't ever think about 1 year later still people watching your videos, your shorts. But conversely, on the other hand, if you want to make your content evergreen, which is very small amount of view in. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video, this is the YTS vlog, the third vlog. This is what I record, I document my journey uploading YouTube shorts in order to making money from shorts. This is everybody's dream. And wait for a while, is it off? This vlog already third vlog, which is I'm started from the one obviously, and then I still get nothing from YouTube shorts. So if you like me trying to pursue money from YouTube short, you should follow me, you should subscribe my channel, you should follow. Every Wednesday I upload this kind of process, this kind of documentation. I will upload it to this YouTube. So subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to put comment below. Let's get it on. Okay, if you're new here and you haven't seen my previous videos, I think at the first video I talk about the virality and evergreen. I intend to make the shorts evergreen, and then this third weeks, which is I'm thinking a lot, I've learning a lot, I purchased some classes as well, and then I think it could be so different between the viral and then the evergreen. Okay, I plan to make my content, my shorts evergreen, which is the evergreen content mostly came from search, which is search sources. Traffic source from search will not going to viral, because what? Because viral always from shorts feed. That's why I'm imagining that if I want to go evergreen, I do not expect any virality. If I want to make viral, which is 1 million views, 2 million views, do not expect like evergreen or search terms or source from search. So this kind of converse POV, which is if you want to make viral, don't think about evergreen. If you want to make evergreen, don't think about viral. That's the progress that I made from this the last 3 weeks. So yeah, it's so unfortunate that if I want to go make viral, I don't think about evergreen. It's kind of you know what I mean. Okay, that's my finding as this last 3 weeks. Okay, if you want the final takeaways from you, for you want to make it viral, don't ever think about keywords. Don't ever think about 1 year later still people watching your videos, your shorts. But conversely, on the other hand, if you want to make your content evergreen, which is very small amount of view in shorts, I would rather than suggest you to go long format rather than shorts. Okay, that's my finding. That's my first point on this vlog. Okay, the second point. I made a Stickman simulator. So it began when I realized that if I want to make videos using AI, which is I'm using pp.ai, you should subscribe to pp.ai or at least sign up to pp.ai. Please click on the link down description below. It's really cool and simple AI for videos. But I think if I continue to creating using AI tools, text to video tools, it costs me a lot of token. It costs me a lot of money. It costs me a lot of dollars. So that's why I'm thinking about what if I make some engine, I make some simulator, or I make game. At the first, I thought about games because on this era, on era before AI era, games could survive, games could thrive, because even if they isn't any AI at the first, but games, since it deterministic, which is the if else is really clear, no AI, because AI is generating, generative AI. It's thinking about their own and then trying to generate something. But for games, video games, literally video games, we know that if we put this, let's say on the current in the situation that we have two pathways, and then we choose this one, and then the game will be like this, and then if we choose the other one, the game will run like that, and so that's the deterministic. I'm thinking about It's began when I'm thinking about what if I create some engine that, of course, created by AI. I'm using anti-gravity, if you ever heard about it. And then this is the vibe coding tool. I'm using anti-gravity, and then I'm creating engine to make the simulator, and then I could make videos which is predictable, which is deterministic, which is if else, and so. Let me show you the engine. Okay, this is really cool. I'm proud of myself because of creating this one. So this is a Stickman cinematic. I created a 3D Stickman, which is I'm trying to mimicking John Wick scene on this video. When I play it, it looks like a real stickmen fighting each other, fighting many people, and so on. I'm creating this thing using anti-gravity. This is my base. It's really easy to make. I believe it took me about 6 hours to build. Okay, this kind of simulator, and then okay, it's not really not yet so realistic, not yet so engaging. But if I continue to develop this kind of app, I wonder if I'm too overwhelming. I mean, I'm too focused to make it better or perfect and never upload my content. So at this version, I upload some scene. I up 2 times. Just recently upload, just few ago. I creating the first one. It is a One Piece. If you heard about One Piece, the anime, this is the I'm trying to recreate the anime using my own engine, using my own simulator, the Stickman is it. And then the second one, I just random John Wick idea like that. Okay, I will show you. This is my engine. I will show you the upload result. Okay, this is the first video I upload on YouTube just few hours ago. See, oh, it's supposed to be has an audio, but I muted. Okay, never mind. See, I'm creating a scene from One Piece, which is Marineford, if you know about it. Okay, from Marineford, which is it's really iconic scene on One Piece. So I'm creating that scene using my simulator, and the views, the views not so. I'm not so glad about it, but it's fine. I got on the last 60 minutes 205, which is very low, so low. And then the engagement. This is the more important things. The engagement also so low. This is only 27%, which is I aim for the 70%, 70% plus about the stay to watch engagement. So okay, the first upload not really makes me happy, and then the second upload, it was an hour ago, I believe. No, less than an hour ago before this recording. So I make John Wick. Wait, I could make the sound actually. Wow. To be honest, I'm proud of myself. I'm happy to make this kind of simulator. But again, if it's good for us, if it's good for you, if it's good for me, and it doesn't make money, it doesn't matter. Okay? If it doesn't make money, if nobody views it, if nobody likes my video, which it doesn't matter. But yeah, okay, I have some progress here. That's it. That's the video, the short that I made just 2 hours ago, and still no views here. I don't know why. It's supposed to be the first 15 minutes I got 20 views or something, but I'll make another video using my simulator. I don't have plan to make better my application, the engine. I don't want to make at now. I don't want to make it more realistic or what. At this point, I just want to more upload using my current engine. So that's why, once again, the final takeaways from this second point, because of the token, the cost of making videos from AI. So I make my own engine, which is, it costs token, but only at the first time I make the engine. So let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. See you on the next vlog. Wednesday, PST time at 7:30 p.m. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.